It's not wrap. This is paint.
Yeah, it's Tremclad.
Did you use a roller?
Nope. Electric, Wagner electric.
My first paint job I did with Tremclad, and nobody could tell a difference.
Buddy over there has Tremclad, man.
Yeah.
It was Tremclad crew, eh? Did you use a roller?
No, I sprayed it.
It's not wrap. This is paint.
Yeah, it's Tremclad.
Get out of here.
Seriously.
This is Tremclad?
Yeah.
Did you use a roller?
Nope. Electric, Wagner electric power sprayer.
It looks good.
Yeah, it was the first time I'd ever done a paint job.
Yeah.
Never done it before in my life. So
You
yeah,
know what?
there were some imperfections in that happened, but
Brother, props. That's for Tremclad. That looks pretty freaking sharp.
yeah.
Did you redo? Is this like original
Yeah.
when you got it? Kind
Yeah.
of thing. Nice.
Filled in the backside windows of her.
Looks thick, eh?
Yeah.
Like it's like it's been made or something
Yeah,
like that.
it's solid.
Holy.
Filled in the backside windows on her. Shaved the tail.
Oh, you filled it in. Did you talk to Fox? I thought that he wanted to do something similar.
Yeah. It didn't turn out the way I wanted. I got rushed near the end last summer, but
Did you bond to it or?
yeah,
you
I
bonded
cut a piece of metal out to fit.
Yeah.
And then used the 3M body panel adhesive.
To be honest, with you, I like the look. It's clean.
Yep, used the 3M body panel adhesive,
Yeah.
stuck her on, and then filled it with the...
This is the essence of custom, to be honest with you. No, I like it. I like it a lot. Is the whole thing Tremclad?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
Wow.
My first paint job I did with Tremclad, and nobody could tell a difference.
Buddy over there has Tremclad, man.
Yeah.
It was Tremclad crew, eh? Did you
Yeah.
use a roller?
No, I sprayed it.
Yeah.
The only downside to it is that you can't clean it. It got to a point where it was just so dirty.
Yeah.
And then my boss said I could use the paint booth at work.
Yeah.
I bought the cheapest paint, and I was like,
Hey, it works.
it works. But it seems like I'm rushing it. Like I don't have time to get in there and actually.
Well, it's the end of the year, right?
Yeah,
So, yeah. You did win an award. I see an award over there.
Yeah, that was down in Hamilton. They took top 3 the Magnum.
Hey, look at that.
So come within the top 3. They didn't want to go first, second, or third, so they just done top 3.
Top 3, baby.
So but that was for.
I think it's number 1. I think they robbed you on that one.
Yeah,
That's
maybe.
number 1, baby.
I'm not gonna argue with that. But it started off as a 2008 K9 unit from Peterborough.
Canine unit, literally.
Yeah, if
K9
you come
unit.
here, you can see it's an ex-cop car.
Yeah.
Still got the shifter on the column. Still has the dome light up there as well. So yeah, it started off as that. Drove it around as a standard Magnum for about 6 months.
Yeah.
Then I constantly come from Europe. I wanted to go for the 300 swap.
Yeah, in Europe they're freaking popular.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
You can even get a diesel version over there, which is great.
Yeah.
So I done the flat bottom conversion, and then after that it went to a round bottom conversion.
Yeah.
And then it went to this. Just
I can only say I'm impressed, Philip.
so yeah,
I'm impressed.
I had to fabricate the wing, the fenders on it. So like, yeah, it's just one of those things where it
Did you
just.
use all this yourself?
This is a backyard build.
This is a backyard build.
This is a backyard build. This has not been into any shops to be modified. The work's been done by myself.
So you could do other Magnums.
I could.
So what's your price? What's going on?
I don't know, it's quite funny because Rob's got my old 300 hood with
Yeah.
the eyebrows. That's mine. Joey's got my lights and grill. They were mine. It seems like every part of my Magnum's in this group somewhere. Like this front bumper on Chris's.